let's move on to integration. So how do we integrate into the ecosystem? We're not just a silo where you can't, connect and integrate. So, Frank, can you explain the foreign data wrapper and why that might be interesting to people?
Yeah, but before talking about foreign data wrapper, we have to acknowledge that doing data federation in Greenplum, this is something that we have for a while because we have the PXF framework. But again, because we are based on Postgres, so we can leverage all the functionality coming from the Postgres world. And so the foreign data wrapper gives you this ability to do data federation. So you can access external data as if the data was local to Greenplum. So this is completely transparent for the end user. So now we are bringing additional foreign data wrapper. So we had Postgres, we did the optimization. We are going to talk about the type of optimization we are doing for Greenplum. So it can be super interesting for data mesh architecture. And now we are adding for MySQL, SQL Server, and even for Kafka. So it means that you can write back from Greenplum to Kafka. So I see a lot of customers asking for this.
Right. And like you said, PXF is a solid enterprise feature we've had for years. And personally, I've had a lot of very good reviews from users on the performance and the capability that they get with PXF. And that's going to continue going forward too. We've got a huge PXF roadmap, which is ambitious in its own right. Now, this one is quite interesting. This is two Greenplum clusters connected to each other. And so what this allows you to do, for example, is if you want to have complete segregation and have, let's say, one department of your company have a Greenplum cluster, another department of your company have another Greenplum cluster, and then you want to have data sharing, you can share data and you can query between the clusters using advanced query optimization and advanced predicate pushdowns that these two clusters can work together. So this is interesting, and I'm sure Frank has lots of stories about customers and users for this one.
I'm thinking about a very large bank where they have 7 Greenplum clusters. So they moved from Teradata. So I know they were waiting for this improvement. So we did it.
Yep, it's there for you guys now.